Hey YouTube, this is another video brought to you by Make2, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn your Windows 10 or Windows 8 into a Wi-Fi hotspot. So this is a follow-up video of a video that I made about 6 months ago, and based on the comments that some users were giving, they were wondering how they can actually change the password once they set up the Wi-Fi hotspot, or even how to turn it off in general. So this video will address all those issues or those questions. So if you're happy to watch this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get to it. So first thing first, let's check the prerequisite. Let's open up the network and sharing center, and I'll show you certain things that we need to consider. So currently my internet is set on this Wi-Fi here, and I have another dongle connected to this computer which is currently available. So this will provide us the internet, and this is what we're going to use to share the internet. So that means this is what we're going to use to create a Wi-Fi hotspot based on this computer. So with that out of the way, then you can actually set up, or if your system is set up in a way that you get internet through your Ethernet and your Wi-Fi is just free, nothing is connected to it, then you can set up the same way. But for me, my internet is Wi-Fi, so I got a dongle which will help us to use the computer as the Wi-Fi hotspot. So let's get to it. First thing we need to do is to open up a command line. So just press Windows S on your keyboard and then just select command prompt with the admin option. Once you select that, this is the command you need to type in. Type in netsh wlan set hosted network, and the mode is equal to allow, and the ssid, which will be the name of your Wi-Fi. So what I'll do is I'll name this my Wi-Fi share, and the key is the password. So I'll make the password. Right, so that one is set. Now to turn it on, you need to put in this command netsh wlan again, and just type in start hosted network. So this is what is going to happen. So a hosted network. Let me put this one side by side. I've not cleared a command yet. I'll open this one side by side, and also let me open up the share center again. Let me minimize this a bit. So I just want to show you what will happen once I click that command. So as you can see, there is just 3 network adapters showing up here, and our internet connection is just one, which is the Sky broadband. The moment I hit this command, see what happens. It creates another network, and now you see that network is setting up. So within a few moments it will set up the network, which will be the new network we just set up, the Wi-Fi share. Okay, so here we have it. Now the name is showing up here and there as well, which is the local area connection Wi-Fi share right beneath it. So to share the internet, what we have to do is need to go back to the screen here, click on the adapter we get the internet from, just right click it, select properties, click on sharing, then click on this option here. Make sure you take that, and in this window just drop that down, select the newly created connection and click OK. So ideally this will share its internet with this adapter. So with that done, let's just go to our mobile device and check. Okay, so now on the mobile device, let's go to the Wi-Fi section. Let me drop this down momentarily. Click on Wi-Fi, and as you can see right at the very top, Wi-Fi share. You just click on that. Just put in the password, which is password. Then click connect. And that should connect momentarily. Now it's connecting, authenticating, and it's saying connected. But it's showing no internet, but now the internet is showing up. Let's just go to a browser, then just search for BBC or CNN. There you go. It's working beautifully. We can go to Google. So the internet is working as beautiful. All right. So that's how it works. Easy. So now the real question is, how can we change the password, or how do you turn it off? Right, I'll show you just that. So back on the computer, I'm just going to show you how you can actually turn off the Wi-Fi hotspot, or even how to change the password if you wish to. Right, so first thing first, make sure you have your command line open again, and as you can see, that's the Wi-Fi share at the very top, and that's the adapter right there. So what we can do to turn it off is by running this command here. So you just have to type netsh wlan stop hosted network, and once I hit that enter button, you notice that it will disappear from this window. So the adapter will disappear and the Wi-Fi share will equally disappear. So there you go. 1, 2, 3. Boom, it's gone. So you finish with it, you just stop it, you're done. So the next thing is I'll show you how to change the password. To change the password, you just have to go back to the first command that we run, which was the netsh wlan set hosted network mode. To allow the ssid, you specify the same one, but for the key, you just change it, replace that with your new password, and that's it. Once you've done that, you just start the network again and you're good to go. So if I, let's say, change this one, make sure the password is always 8 characters, because if it's less than 8 characters, it's not going to work. So let's say if I change the password to password 1, 2, 3, enter. The network is started. Now the network is set. So to start it, I just have to run netsh and then wlan start hosted network. That's simple. Boom, there you go, all started running with a new password. And the way you can check the password with a command line is to run this command as well. If you type in netsh show hosted network and settings equal to security. Okay, I think I missed something. Let's check the command. So I forgot to add the wlan, so just type in wlan first, and once you click it, this will come up, and as you can see, the user security key right there, it will tell you the new password, which is password 1, 2, 3. So if you go back to your mobile device, you just have to enter the new password and you're good to go. So the next thing I'm going to show you is a simple program you can run without going through all these sort of mumbo jumbo on the command line. So the script that I've created is called Wi-Fi Maker. So I'm just going to open that up momentarily. So this is how it looks. So for this script, we got option 1, which will make the hotspot. Option 2 will turn it off. So option 2 will turn it on. Option 3 will turn it off. And for option 4 will diagnose this. So the whole idea of the diagnose and fix is to turn off and then back on, which obviously resolve most of the issues. So with this script, or I'll put it at the description of this video so you can just download it. But before you do that, subscribe to my channel and also hit a thumbs up on this video. So you just have to click on file, click on save as, and make sure you name it Wi-Fi maker or whatever you want to name it as. But the most important thing is that it needs to end with BAT. Once you save it like that, then you're good to go. I've saved that already, so just cancel out of it. I'll show how it works. So I'll close this one down and I'll open it. So once you open it, you don't have to open it just like that. Make sure you right click it and run at administrator. You click it, this will come up. So it will give you a simple options. First is to make the Wi-Fi hotspot. So once you click 1, it will ask you for the hotspot name. You just give it blue. I'll just name it anything. My new Wi-Fi. It will ask you for the password. Then I'll give this password 00. Okay, so it's created. So I just have to press enter key. Now I have to select 2 to turn it on. Now it's on. It will show up on there. Here you go, network and sharing. My new Wi-Fi showing up. It's running. I don't need to turn it off. If I want to turn it off, then I have to select option 3. If I want to close out of this window, I just select option 5 and this window will close down. So let's go back to the mobile device and check. Okay, so back on the mobile device, let's drop this down. We click on Wi-Fi, and that's our new Wi-Fi right there. My new Wi-Fi. You click on that. Just as always, put in the password, which is password 00. Connect, and it's going to connect momentarily. Okay, so it's connected, waiting for internet. Now we got internet connection. We go back here and you can search for anything. It worked beautifully. So if you like this video and it helped you out, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.